Okay, when we say triangle inequality theorem, the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the remaining sides. Given a triangle, how many sides do we have? 3 sides lang meron tayo sa triangle. Ang sabi daw anak natin sa triangle inequality theorem, ang sum daw ng dalawang side ay laging mas mataas sa ating third side. Okay, so para makapag-construct tayo anak ng triangle. Okay, so let A, B, and C be the lengths of the triangle. So this length may only form a triangle if the 3 conditions are satisfied. So makaka-form lang daw tayo anak ng triangle kapag nagkaroon tayo ng tatlong true statement. What are those? Girls, can you read?
A plus B
Is greater than
C.
Boys.
B plus C is greater than A.
Okay, you read it all?
A plus C is greater than B.
What we're going to do? We're going to add any two sides of the triangle, then i-compare natin sa remaining side. Let us try an example. Okay, the first side, measure 6. The second side is 9, and the third side is 11. So what we're going to do, okay, step 1, we need to add first the two sides of a triangle, which is 6 and 9. Just add 6 plus 9. Okay, 15. 15 is greater than 11. Okay, therefore we have a 1 true na. Kailangan tatlo yung true natin. Okay, second, sino naman po ang ipa-plus natin? Si letter B at si letter C, which is 9 plus 11. 9 plus 11. 20 is greater than 6. Sino kinain? Mas malaki daw po si 20. Okay, true pa rin yan. Next, ano na po ang ipa-plus natin? Si A at si letter C, which is 6 plus 11. 6 plus 11. 17 is greater than 9. True or false? Okay, therefore, how many true? Okay, therefore, kapag meron tayo anak na tatlong true statement, ibig sabihin, we can form a triangle. Do you understand? Okay, so now let us try another example. The question is, which of the following could be the length of the sides of a triangle? Let us answer letter A and letter B only. Okay, first, let us proceed by letter A. So the measure of the sides of a triangle are, we have 7, 4, and 5. Okay, first, ano munang number yung i-add natin? Okay, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 is greater than 5. Yes, ano po yung susunod? Anong number ang i-add? 4 and 5. 4 plus 5. 9 is greater than 7. Another true statement. And the last one we have 7 plus 5. 12 is greater than true or false? Ilan ang true? Okay, therefore, we can form a triangle. Now, let us proceed by letter B. Okay, first, 9 plus, what is the answer? 20 is greater than 2? Okay, true. Second one, 11 plus 2 is greater than 9? Another true statement. And the last one, ano yung last na ipa-plus? 9 plus 2 is greater than 11. Okay, therefore, kapag may isang false, automatic, we cannot form a triangle. Kaya ang isasagot ay not triangle. Do you understand?